Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy stuff on Temu without a credit card. All right, let's begin. First, open the Temu app and browse for the items you want to purchase. Once you have selected your items, add them to your cart by tapping the Add to Cart button. When you are ready to check out, tap the shopping bag icon at the bottom to view your cart. Next, proceed to the checkout page where you will see multiple payment options. Instead of selecting a credit card, choose an alternative payment method. Temu supports various options, including PayPal, debit cards, gift cards, and digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. If you prefer using a bank transfer, some regions allow direct bank payments. Additionally, buy now, pay later services like Klarna or Afterpay may be available, allowing you to split your payment into installments. After selecting your preferred payment method, review your order details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap Place Order to complete the purchase. You will receive a confirmation email with tracking details once your order is processed. So that's basically how you can buy stuff on Temu without a credit card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.